Good afternoon, YouTube family. This is Shirley coming to you with a very small Dollar Tree haul. How are you guys doing? How is the month of May treating you guys? I feel like April just really didn't want to stay with me and hang out at all. It just took off running and didn't even let me have an opportunity to marinate and enjoy the month of April. Today I went to work and I just came back and we had a March of Dime breakfast this morning for Mom First. So we were still, supporting and trying to come up with money for our babies. And hopefully we came up with a whole lot of money. We cooked and made fantastic breakfast, which wasn't a much. It was waffles, pancakes, sausage, links, turkey links, and fruits, hot cocoa, and orange juice. So, how are you guys doing? Just wanted to let you know what I was doing, and since I was at that route coming out to do other errands, I decided to pick up a couple of things at my Dollar Tree near the job area, which is just a total of 3 bags, just to finish up my little Mother's Day wall that I'm doing, and hopefully I could get it accomplished. Alright, so I got this very cute luau skirt for myself. It says children, but I'll be using it for Mother's Day. Take pictures. Also got one coat, which I thought it was pretty, like that tiki theme that they have. Just remind me that the water park that we have is a volcano theme type of thing as well. Just thought of it. Here I have a cutout, jointed cutout. I'm trying to remember the name of the bird. It's already leaving my mind, but this is really big. And I didn't see this at my Dollar Tree, so I was excited. I'm going to put this on the back design that I have, and also found the flamingo style. They're pretty big, so I'm really excited. It's going to fill up the place, and it's going to give it so much color and volume. Okay, not that doesn't fall. Also, to put around the little wall unit that I created are these 3 really cute decors. Added in this beautiful teal, green, and I also got it in pink. So pretty little like leafy flower designs. Okay. In my last bag will just be essentials of things that I just picked up. So I got, I think, 4 of these power sticks. Yeah. I got 4 of the power sticks. I also found my scarf that matched 2 shirts that I'll be wearing very soon. So I got these, super cute. I got my dial in lavender, mouthwash for the kids. I also got this Japanese Blossom body wash, and it just smells really amazing, so I went and picked it up just to test it out. Also got the citrus coconut scent. They had the lotion. I wanted the body wash, they didn't have that, so I picked up the it's very, very refreshing. It's okay. So that's something I'll probably pack for the kids to have on their trip. And the last item will be the Rich Radiant Skincare Cocoa Butter Cleansing Wipe. Wanted to see how this goes. And that was my little miniature haul, you guys. I hope you guys are having a great day and everything is coming along just fine. I'm tired, but I'm here trying to enjoy the moment. Just trying to get caught up with life. And that's it. I hope you guys continue on enjoying the month of May. I'll get to you guys very soon. Continue on being a blessing to others, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye.